Hi everyone, it's Janis here with another episode to help you build better daily structure and be in control of your life. Do you ever feel like life is turning against you? Nothing that you try to do is working out as you would expect it to be. You get up late in the morning because your phone had died overnight. During the morning rush, you spill the coffee on your clothes. And if that wasn't enough, when you show up at the work after the whole hour of commute, you realize that you have forgotten some presentation notes that you are writing all last evening. At times like this, you might feel like a total loser and that whatever you do will never get things right. If this happens time and time again, you might even develop a victim mentality that will keep you stuck in the life. Today, we'll take a look at the 7 strategies that you can use to fix victim mentality and start living the life that you deserve. So let's dive in. Number 1, be compassionate to yourself. What do you do when your friend doesn't perform as well as he planned? Most often, you would say that it's okay and give him some tips on how to improve. But what do you do to yourself when you don't perform as well as you planned? Most likely, you'll get angry on yourself and you will find everything that is wrong with you. It is a natural human behavior to put ourselves down if something is not working or if we failed at something that we tried to do. So the first strategy is to become more compassionate with ourselves, and we can do that by treating ourselves the same way we would treat a good friend. When we see our friend failing and then seeing himself beating himself up, we realize that and we say, hey, this behavior is not going to help you. That is why we suggest our friend to get over initial emotions and then start to focus on things that need to be done to improve. So the next time when you're in the situation where you want to beat yourself up for something that didn't work out, imagine and act as if you would be treating your best friend. Number 2, stop blaming others. This might sound harsh, but the reason you feel like things are working against you in your life is not because of some external forces. It's not your friends, not your boss, not economy, bad timing, or anything else that you might think. It's all down to you. The truth is that you're responsible for everything in your life, and there is also a good thing about it as well. Because you're responsible about everything, it also means that you can change everything however you want, but you'll have to put in the work to make it happen. Many people blame others when they fail. Businessman might blame his team, the systems he was using, the government, economy, etc. But in the end of the day, he was the one who made the decision to start a business in that field under those circumstances, employ those people, and choose the systems to work with. If you want to escape victim mentality, then you'll have to take on all the responsibility for your life. Embrace the fact that you can change everything in your life and live to the fullest. Number 3, forgiveness. We all have to learn how to forgive other people in our life, and not for them, but for ourselves. See, when you don't forgive, you're constantly consumed with the bitter feelings towards that person, and that is holding you back. It's like walking around with a backpack full of bricks, but in this case, it's not physical, but mental luggage that you have to carry around. Forgiveness will allow you to remove that luggage and you'll instantly feel better. Number 4, practice gratitude. People who have developed a victim mentality often feel lonely and they feel that they don't have anything in their life. This can be improved by a simple gratitude exercise. Being grateful will make you self-aware about the things that you do have and you should be grateful for. You can be grateful for the job that you have. You can be grateful for the friends that you have and for many other things in your life. This exercise takes just a couple of minutes and you can easily incorporate it into your morning or evening ritual. Number 5, learn. Like with anything else in life, if you find yourself in a situation where you want to escape, you have to learn about it. There are so many free materials out there that anyone can find the information and answers that they are looking for. You can read articles, listen to podcasts, or even watch videos about this topic. I guess that's how you found this video as well. When I read, I enjoy seeing authors' perspective on different things, and that allows me to add new perspective to my life as well. Number 6, change your environment. Because people are heavily influenced by their environment, it is important to set up the right environment for the goals that you're trying to achieve. Get around the people who are doing the things that you want to do, and soon you'll find yourself taking action as well. Let's say that you want to start a podcast and you want to be around the people who want to do the same. Why not buy online course and join closed group to get around the people with the same interests? And don't be afraid to ask for help, because if you're willing to take the action, people will be more than happy to help you. Number 7, taking small steps outside your comfort zone. Once you have decided to change things in your life, you have to be patient. Change happens over time. Start with the little steps and prove to yourself that you can make things happen if you put in the work. If you jump to drastic changes in your life and something doesn't work out, then you'll be even more upset and stop trying. Let's say that you usually get up at 7:30 a.m., but now you want to start to wake up earlier. If you jump straight away from 7:30 a.m. to 5 a.m., then there is a high chance that you might fail. However, if you move from 7:30 a.m. to 6:30 a.m., then you're more likely to succeed. Then, once you establish 6:30 a.m. for some time, you can move further. So whatever change you want to make, be sure to take small steps and soon you will be improving. It's all about staying consistent and improving over time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you have any questions about time management and becoming more productive, then leave them in the comment section below. If you want to manage your time better, have more structure in your life, and achieve your goals, make sure you check out my time planning application. You can set goals and track progress towards them, create time blocks and build your own daily structure, as well as log your time and measure your performance. Best of all, it's totally free, so press here to check it out right now. I'm working on new videos every day, so be sure you subscribe so you don't miss my next episode.